you're going to be benefited by listening to such an eminent personality. I'm sure you will get a lot of insights. Being fresh management graduates, and MBA is a skill-oriented program. He can contribute. He can contribute a lot to your induction program. Actually, we are into the threshold of getting into the first semester syllabus. Okay, we're going to wind up the orientation program in a day or two. Therefore, Mr. Pavan is going to talk to you, giving you insights into so many important elements as far as management education is concerned, management profession is concerned. So on behalf of Kochi Business School, and on a personal note, let me extend a warm welcome to Mr. Pavan.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for having a great introduction.
Yeah, I also invite, welcome your batch coordinator, okay, Anu madam, and my dear friends, please, be attentive and be interactive also, and get, the maximum benefit out of this session. I have some very important work, related to AICTE, so I'm not in a position to attend, this session. Okay, so please excuse me. Once again, welcome you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay, then, friends. I just want to give you a small, brief introduction about, not me, about the training. Rule number 1: everybody try to put on your camera. Number 1. Okay. After I say the rule, you should follow that. Okay. Pinne verude onnalla. Endana? Sir, രാവിലെ മുതൽ ക്ലാസ് സാറേ എനിക്ക് തലവേദന വരുന്നുണ്ട് സാറേ ഇത്ര നേരം കിടക്കട്ടെ അല്ലേ അടിപൊളി ക്യാമറ എല്ലാരും ക്യാമറ ഓൺ ചെയ്യണ അടിപൊളി ഓക്കെ കുറച്ച് പേരുണ്ട് മേക്കപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വരട്ടെ സാറേ ഒരു 5 മിനിറ്റ് സമയം വേണം കുഴപ്പമില്ല സമയം എടുത്തോ മേക്കപ്പ് ചെയ്തോ പിന്നെ വാ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് നൗ കമ്മിങ് ബാക്ക് ടു ദിസ് ഇഫ് യു ക്യാൻ ഹിയർ മൈ വോയിസ് ആൻഡ് മൈ ഓഡിയോ ആൻഡ് വീഡിയോ ഇഫ് മൈ ഓഡിയോ ആൻഡ് വീഡിയോ ഈസ് ക്ലിയർ ടു യു please type yes in the chat box. Chat box undallo avade namukku chat box avade yes anu type cheyu please start. Okay, Fatima is the first person to type today. Neetu, Anju, Jibin, Vivek. Okay, nice, super. Chat box should rain today. Innu chat box full aayirkanam. Okay, KBS Zoom undallo adu restart cheyanam atra chat box lo messages varanam keta. Okay, now coming back to the next one. Okay, എല്ലാവരും ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ സൂപ്പർ എനിക്ക് ഇവിടെ കുറച്ച് പേരെ കാണാൻ പറ്റും ബട്ട് സ്റ്റിൽ ഇറ്റ്സ് പോസിബിൾ ടു സീ അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് 40 people on my screen. Let me connect my screen to the projector so I can see more big. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, almost everyone.
Shall I make you the host if you want to share something?
Yeah, please. Yeah, of course. Please make me the host. Okay, thank you so much. Out of 58 students, I got 42 messages. Wow. Active now. Okay, fine. Now coming back to the next. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for making me the host. And the next question. Okay, I'll ask more questions. You should tell the answer or you can type the answer. Both you can do anything. Okay. The second question is, how many of you ate food? Food gaichu. How many of you ate food? ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു തംസ് അപ്പ് അടിക്കും ഔട്ട് പുട്ട് തംസ് അപ്പ് അടിക്കാൻ അറിയോ സ്ക്രീനിന്റെ മുകളിൽ തംസ് അപ്പ് അടിക്കാൻ പറ്റും അറിയോ ഇന്നത്തെ തംസ് അപ്പ് അവിടെ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഉണ്ട് തംസ് അപ്പ് ഓപ്ഷൻ അടിപൊളി അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ സിമ്പിൾ അല്ലേ റൂൾ നമ്പർ 1 ക്യാമറ ഓൺ ചെയ്യണം റൂൾ നമ്പർ 2 ചാറ്റ് ബോക്സ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യണം റൂൾ നമ്പർ 3 തംസ് അപ്പ് അടിക്കണം ഓക്കെ ഈ 3 കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് നമ്മുടെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഏറ്റവും ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ബിക്കോസ് യുവർ തംസ് അപ്പ് യുവർ ടൈപ്പിംഗ് യുവർ ക്യാമറ ഫേഷ്യൽ എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ എനിക്ക് എനർജിയാണ് ബിക്കോസ് നീ ക്യാമറ ഓഫ് ചെയ്തു ഞാനൊരു ജോക്ക് പറഞ്ഞു നീ ക്യാമറ ഓഫ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് മൈക്ക് ഓഫ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് എനിക്ക് ചിരിച്ചാൽ കാര്യമില്ല എനിക്കൊന്നും കേൾക്കില്ലല്ലോ ഓക്കെ ദാറ്റ്സ് വാട്ട് ഓൺ ദ ക്യാമറ ആൻഡ് ടോക്ക് ഔട്ട് നൗ ദ ഫോർത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ സാറേ ഇവിടെ ഫാക്കൽറ്റി ഉണ്ട് എനിക്ക് ഇത്തിരി ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ് അങ്ങനെ ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ How many faculties are there now? Any faculties available today in this meeting? Any faculties are there?
I want to leave after some 5 minutes. I have
No,
another
no,
session
don't,
for 3 minutes. So
don't,
you and your
leave.
children are free to share.
Okay, no problem. Just I'm asking. ഇങ്ങനെ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല because നേരെ ഇരുന്നാലേ പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. ഓൺലൈനിലാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
No other faculties are here, sir. I'm leaving and no
Any other faculties are here? Any other faculties?
No faculties are here.
If you want, you can no problem. You can tell like I'm leaving, but you can put off your mic. You can go back. Just joking.
Okay.
Right, now coming back to ഇതാണ് പിന്നെ വേറെ കാര്യമുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പൊ പെട്ടെന്ന് ഞാൻ ലെഫ്റ്റ് ആയാൽ ഇൻ കേസ് ഞാനിപ്പോ ലെഫ്റ്റ് ആവും ചില എക്സാമ്പിൾ നമ്മൾ വി ആർ ലിവിംഗ് ഇൻ കേരളത്തിലല്ലേ എപ്പോ കറണ്ട് പോകും നമുക്കറിയില്ല എപ്പോ വെള്ളച്ചാട്ടം വരും എല്ലാവരും വെള്ളപ്പൊക്കം വരും എപ്പോ പ്രളയം വരും നമുക്കറിയില്ല നമുക്ക് സേഫ്റ്റി സോ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും പെട്ടെന്ന് ഓഫായി പോയാൽ പേടിക്കണ്ട ഞാൻ ഐ കണക്ട് വിത്ത് മൈ അതർ വൈഫൈ ഓർ സംതിങ് എൽസ് ആൻഡ് ഐ ലോഗിൻ അഗൈൻ ഓക്കെ ഒരു 2-3 മിനിറ്റ് വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും ഓക്കെ ഡീൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ഷൻസ് ക്ലിയർ അല്ലോ ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ അടിപൊളി റൈറ്റ് കമ്മിങ് ബാക്ക് ടു ദിസ് ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിച്ചാൽ ഓക്കെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിച്ചു മൈക്ക് ഓൺ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഉത്തരം പറയണം ഓക്കെ ഇപ്പൊ ഫാത്തിമയുടെ മൈക്ക് ഓൺ ആണ് ഓക്കെ ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഫാത്തിമ ക്യാൻ ടോക്ക് നൗ മേ ബി ഐ മ്യൂട്ട് ഫാത്തിമ സംടൈംസ് ഞാൻ ഇപ്പൊ മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തു ഫാത്തിമ ഞാൻ മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ് എവറിബഡി കീപ് യുവർ മൈക്ക് മ്യൂട്ട് whenever it is required on the mic ഇപ്പൊ ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ എല്ലാവരും ഓക്കെ ആണോ റൂൾസ് റെഗുലേഷൻസ് സാർ ഇന്ന് എന്താ പഠിപ്പിക്കാൻ പോവാണ് പഠിക്കണോ രാവിലെ മുതൽ ഏത് ഫാക്കൽറ്റി വന്നാൽ presentation okay my first slide second slide third slide എന്താ പൊന്നു സാറേ എനിക്ക് മടി ബട്ട് ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെയല്ല presentation ഉണ്ട് ബട്ട് എന്തിനെ presentation നമുക്ക് presentation വേണ്ട ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ ഡീലാണോ നോ ഡീലാണെങ്കിൽ തംസപ്പ് പഠിച്ചോ നോ ഡീലാണെങ്കിൽ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യണ്ട ഡീൽ presentation വേണ്ട എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി ഓക്കെ ദിസ് ഇസ് താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് ബട്ട് presentation ചെറുതായിട്ടുണ്ട് ബട്ട് ആ presentation നമ്മുടെ ക്ലാസ് റിലേറ്റഡ് അല്ല വേറെയാണ് ആ presentation എന്താണ് ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ കാണിച്ചു തരാം ആൻഡ് താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ ഇൻട്രഡക്ഷൻ നമുക്ക് നല്ല ഇൻട്രഡക്ഷൻ കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട് പിന്നെ എല്ലാവർക്കും കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലേ ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ ഇപ്പൊ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യണ്ട ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്താൽ മതി ഇങ്ങനെ ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്താൽ മതി റൈറ്റ് എവ്രിവൺ പ്ലീസ് നോട്ട് യുവർ ഹെഡ് 1 2 3 4 5 6 ചെയ്തോ ഓഹോ ബൂമറാങ് പോലെ ഉണ്ടാ ഇതൊരു വീഡിയോ എടുക്കണം വീഡിയോ എടുത്തിട്ട് വാട്സാപ്പിൽ പോയി ഫേസ്ബുക്കിൽ പോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം ബൂമറാങ് right now let's start the class everyone and I hope you can listen to me you can see me properly and I'm going to start my session everyone please have a look on the screen have a look on the screen hope you can see the screen I guess loading okay one minute please let me share it properly okay this is what my presentation but പേടിക്കണ്ട presentation ഒന്നും ഇല്ല എൻ്റെ introduction ആണ് presentation okay ഇവിടെ എത്ര പേർക്ക് ഉറക്കം വരുന്നുണ്ട് അയ്യോ ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കാൻ മറന്നുപോയി ഇപ്പൊ ഫുഡ് കഴിച്ചല്ലോ എല്ലാരും എന്താണ് കറി മീൻ കറി ചോറ് പിന്നെ ബിരിയാണി പിന്നെന്താ I don't know കഴിച്ചോ എല്ലാരും കഴിച്ചല്ലോ everybody ate food please type yes in the chat box എല്ലാരും ഫുഡ് കഴിച്ചല്ലോ എല്ലാരും കഴിച്ചോ ചാറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യാമോ യെസ് നോ സാർ ആരാ നോ പാവമായി പോയല്ലോ ആരായി നോ സ്വാതി എന്ത് പറ്റി സ്വാതി അവിടെ കാണുന്നില്ലല്ലോ സ്വാതി എന്താണ് ഫുഡ് കഴിച്ചില്ലേ എന്ത് പറ്റി മൈക്ക് ഓൺ ചെയ്യാമോ സ്വാതി പുട്ട് ഓൺ യുവർ മൈക്ക് ഓക്കെ സ്വാതി എന്താണ് എന്തിനു കഴിച്ചില്ല എന്ത് പറ്റി
Sir, my mother is still cooking, so it's obviously gonna take some time.
Oh man, what to do? Mother is a housewife or she's working?
Yes, sir, she's a homemaker.
Homemaker, but okay, why late?
We usually have after 2:30, that's why.
Okay. Celine, who is Celine? Celine are there? Celine, എന്ത് പറ്റി? Celine mic on ചെയ്യാമോ? Celine, on the mic. എന്ത് പറ്റി? 2 o'clock ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ ക്ലാസ്സിലോ ആണോ അപ്പൊ 2 o'clock നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ ഇപ്പൊ ക്ലാസ് 3 മണി വരെ ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 3:30 വരെ ഉണ്ടാവും അപ്പൊ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും അത് കുഴപ്പമില്ല സാറ് പറഞ്ഞോ ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ കഴിച്ചോളാം ചോറ് മീൻ കറി Parota puttu enda ponnu. Sir, there is non-Malayali students who communicate in English. Oh, who is that? Non-Malayali students? I love them. Who is that?
So there are
Non-Malayali? Please put up your hands. Non-Malayalis, or put a thumbs up. Okay, Swati is a non-Malayali. Oh, where are you from, Swati?
Sir, I'm basically from Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Okay, fine. That's great. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you don't understand Malayalam?
I do understand a bit, but I can't like reply in Malayalam.
Don't worry. These people are very smart. They'll teach you Malayalam. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Any other non-Malayalis here? Non-Malayalis? Non-Malayalis? Who typed me actually? Fatima, are you a non-Malayali?
No. I am a Malu. There are students. I guess Tintu, she is a non-Malayali.
Non-Malayali. Tintu, who is that Tintu? Where are you from, Tintu? Can I have your introduction, please?
Yeah, sir, it's me.
Yeah, please.
Sir, actually, there's no electricity right now in my house, so I cannot on my video.
Oh, that's good. No problem. Okay, I see. Okay. Fine.
Sir, but I am a Malayali.
Okay, but you don't speak Malayalam?
Yeah, I speak, but actually I'm from Mumbai, so communication is a bit problem.
A problem. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll make it in English. But ഇവിടെ മലയാളി സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഇവിടെ ഇത്തിരി ചെറുതായിട്ട് മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിക്കും ഞാൻ. പിന്നെ വേറെ സീക്രട്ട് പറയട്ടെ, ഞാനും മലയാളി അല്ല.
That's visible in your slang, sir.
Right, and let's start with my introduction. And I don't want to bore you people with my introduction, but today I'm telling you very clearly, okay, today I am here to talk to you, not teach you. Okay, talk to you, not teach. But in the talking, I may give you some information which is useful to your next 2 years, right? Maybe some practices you can do, experimental practices, and some experimental learning will be included in that. I just give some information, voice. That's the reason I didn't prepare any presentation, but I'll show you the videos related or maybe photographs related. I'll just show you as a sample, as a reference, but not like a pakka presentation, like which is the full screen is with blue, black, white, and my photo will be at down. I don't want to do that. I just want to be a person like you, where I want every student to connect with me emotionally, not as a teacher. Sare is not like the matter. Okay, I just want you to be my friend, and I just want to be your friend. We don't have a much age gap. Okay, don't think I'm also like your age, just 12 years gap. Okay, that's it. No. Right. What's your age running now? What's your average age running now? Nobody is, no?
22,
Please,
21, 22 to 21.
22, 21. If you're 20, we are 12-year gap. Then reminding people just calculate according to that. Okay, then let's start with our topic. My introduction, as a lot of people said, but okay. Right. Let's start with the session, and here we go. Okay. And already the people has, the Pradeep sir has introduced me, and still I just want to give a short introduction about me. And I'm Pavan Sami Reddy, and I'm a trainer. And my journey, I'll be talking to you today. Don't worry. And it's all depend upon you. You ask me, I tell. Otherwise, I don't utter a word. Because the words what I have in my brain and my mind are very valuable. Until you ask, I'm not going to tell. Okay. And now let's start the interaction with one another. Okay. Now ask me what you want to know about me. Pinne. In the I can forward my resume, right? You have to ask me the questions. If you want, you can type the questions. But more than typing, you should ask me. That will be more interactive. Anybody can ask. Everybody can ask. This is the question. What do you want to know about me? Start. Your time starts now. Let's do this activity for 5 to 10 minutes. What is your career? My career is teaching. I teach. I talk to the people. I talk to corporates. I talk to business people. I talk to business students. I train the people. That's what my profession is. My career. Okay. നീ ചോദിച്ച എല്ലാ ക്വസ്റ്റിനും ഉത്തരം പറയും. Genuine answer. Okay. അതന്നെ. So what is that? 1 minute. Let me open that. Saw you are an author. What are your works? That's great. I just want to talk for 2 minutes. Okay. My works are almost with career related and interview related, and some are okay, which are like self development works. These are my 4 works you can see here. The first one is The Mind of In. You can see on the screen very well. That's a book which is okay related to LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn is a professional platform where every professional should maintain his LinkedIn profile to connect with the HRs and the corporates to develop their network. Okay, this is what about my first work, and my second work is the big best interview guide, which is to make up individual to recognize his passion towards any job and crack the job. How to crack the job? Okay, any job interviews. And my third work is business communication and soft skills. This book is exclusively for MBA and BBA students, where you have to learn a lot of business skills, written skills, and talking skills, and negotiation skills, leadership. Such skills are available. How to develop and experimental learnings we have in this. And the fourth one is an author mastery. If you want to write a book like me, okay, you can also become an author by reading this book. It's a short book or 60 pages book. It's a short book or short guide to become an author. And these are my 4 books. And my 5th book now I'm working on psychology related, but it's still working. It's going on, but I don't want to reveal the name now because I just want to reveal. These are my 4 works, and my 5th work is going on now. That's what. And next question we have here: what is your education? Education, parayano. If I tell my education, everybody will feel bad. Parayano. Yes, anengi yes and type. Appo njan parayu. Njan paranilla. Illengi thumbs up. Put a thumbs up. Then I'll tell my answer. Put a thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Education. Njan veride BTech MBA പഠിച്ചു. And I have completed my education BTech in 2012, and 12 to 14 is my MBA. MBA is from Mysore University, and my BTech is from JNTU Kakinada. Okay, JNTU. You know JNTU, right? You know JNTU. Okay, and my BTech is from Computer Science and Engineering, and my MBA HR and Marketing. Okay, but whatever the job I'm doing are not at all related to my two educational qualifications. Right? Okay, fine. Okay, next question. Come on, keep. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു നീ എന്ത് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്താലും അതിന്റെ ആൻസറിനെ ഉറപ്പായിട്ട് പറയും. Right? Answer ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നാണെങ്കിൽ just put a thumbs up. If you like the answer, put a thumbs up. That's it. And the next question is, who is your role model? I particularly don't have a role model because I feel myself as a role model, because my journey is like from 0 to something like I started with a 0. I started with a scratch. That's what my longest. I have a lot of journey to share. Today we have that. If somebody asks me the journey and everything, just I may reveal it. Right? And how long you have been coaching? From 2014, I'm doing my coaching. Maybe I don't calculate the years. 14. Oh, 6 years, man. It's been 6 years. Huh? That's good. Nice. I'm doing coaching from 6 years, but I started teaching 2nd, 3rd standard English, but I'm teaching now to corporates. The journey speaks like this, right? It's a lot of journey. Right, and now please. Next question is, tell me about your journey. Paraya, but ippalla korchu ittri front ponam appo paraya. And now coming back to this, have you tried to write another sort of books like thrillers, romantic? Adu real life il undava eniki. Njan ezhuduvilla, adu kaanikku, njan cheedu kaanikku. I'll not write it, I will do it. Romance and what is that, thriller, something like something ella undu. Okay. Right, that's great. Why did you decide to become a coach? Complicated question. I strongly believe where there is a money, I'll go there. In coaching, we have a lot of money to come, and we have a lot of opportunity to teach. And sir, why Kerala? Adutha question adana. Sir, why Kerala? Because Kerala is having a lot of education institutions, so I came to Kerala. So it's so simple. Then claps. Thank you. Right, coming back to the next one. For what you get trophies, rewards on the show. Okay, I was a badminton player, college, university. I played to South India. So like, still I play, still I practice every day, and I play professionally. And this is what the last I got in Kerala. Okay, winner trophy ആണ് ഇതൊരു ഒരു കോച്ചിങ് ഒക്കെ റിലേറ്റഡ് ബാഡ്മിന്റൺ ടൂർണമെന്റിൽ ഒരുപാടുണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ കുറച്ചേ ഉള്ളൂ, ബട്ട് റിമൈനിങ് വെരി ഷെൽഫ് ജസ്റ്റ് ഫൈൻ. പിന്നെ വേറെ questions to become a coach, trophies, rewards, how to become a trainer like you. There is a special program, you can contact me, you can come there, paid program is there. I'll tell you. marketing right. Thank you so much for asking a lot of questions. I loved to read your questions, but I just want to listen your questions. Let's start with Fatima. Hi Fatima, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm good. I'm fine. How are
Where
you?
are you from, man? Can I have a small introduction? Where are you from, man?
I am from Kanaripalli, and
Okay.
yeah. What else do you want to know?
Maybe your hobbies or something like that?
Okay, my hobbies are definitely traveling, reading
Oh,
books,
that's great.
music. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, nice. And I just want to listen from Midun. Midun, can I have your introduction, Midun? Midun, have you gone? Yeah, he's here. Hi, Midun. Yeah, please. Hi.
Hello, sir. Yeah.
For you. Yeah, please.
So I'm Midun. I'm from Malappuram.
Okay.
And my hobbies are basically watching movies and making memes.
Okay. Memes.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, man. You make a meme on me, okay? Today, after the class, please send me. I'll give my WhatsApp number. You make me a meme and please send me, okay? And thank you so much for these questions. And I have different things to ask you. Shall I start? Or no? Yes ആണെങ്കിൽ yes എന്ന് പറയാം. No ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ ക്ലാസ് എൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. Yes എന്ന് പറയണ്ട കേട്ടോ. Don't, I will not end the class. Don't worry. Right. I just want to ask you something. I loved your way of interaction. I really loved it. A few people I can see on the screen where you're on the camera. So I can see everyone on the screen. Some people off the camera, no problem issue. I hope you can listen to me. The people who on the cameras, I can see you very clearly, directly, maybe, I can see your face directly. But I have a questions to everyone. A lot of questions I got today because today I decided to give some information which you can carry throughout the 2 years of your journey in MBA. This is what the information I got. And one more thing, don't treat like maybe I don't know about your experiences, but few MBA colleges, when after my class, they'll just call me or message me, sir, you're a little different from other people because a lot of people come with a lot of presentations. They give a lot of task. They give a lot of assignment or something. They ask you to write. We were fed up with that, but still I may also ask you to do that, but in a different style. Don't worry. I'm not going to give you any assignment, but interaction will be there. That's what I'm asking you to talk to. Vivek. Vivek is one of my friends, one of my best friends. I have Vivek. Vivek, can you put on your camera?
Yes,
Vivek,
sir.
where are you from? Where are you from?
Sir, I'm from Ernakulam.
Okay.
What else?
Where are you? Where in Ernakulam?
In Ernakulam, Mulogad, near Bolgati.
Okay, fine. Jaren, where are you from? Jaren. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Ernakulam itself. Kalamassery.
Kalamassery. Oh, nice.
Kalamassery.
Okay, that's great. And please, everyone, please type the place where are you joining from. എവിടെ നിന്നാണ് ഈ ലൈവിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തു അത് നമ്മുടെ എൻ്റെ ഒരു ടൈപ്പ് ഇൻ ദ ചാറ്റ് ബോക്സ് പ്ലീസ് ടൈപ്പ് ഇൻ ദ ചാറ്റ് ബോക്സ് ഫ്രം വേർ ആർ യു ജോയിനിങ് ദിസ് സെഷൻ. കോഴിക്കോട് ഗുജറാത്ത്. Who is that? Gujarat? Oh, man. Oh, nice.
For me.
Varsha Nair, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, hi. Now you're in Gujarat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Pathanamthitta, Idukki, Ernakulam, almost a lot of people Ernakulam. Nice. Alappi, right? Ernakulam, Kozhikode. Right, got him. Okay, nice. That's great, man. And I have seen few different dancers. Kannur, Tiruvalla, I know these people. Okay, white pen. Oh, nice, nice. One person is from Gujarat. That's great. Chandigarh. Who is this Chandigarh? Oh, okay. I remember. Swati, right? And then when are you planning to join here? When are you planning to join KBS?
So we
Sir,
all
by
are
the
ready.
end of September.
September. Okay, that's great. Nice. Let's see you there. No, maybe we'll see directly after when the classes starts direct. Let's see you. Hope for the best. And let's coming back to this. Another question I just want to ask you, but everybody put on your mic and give me the answer. Okay. If you know the answer, put on your mic and give me the answer. Okay. Where you want to see yourself after these 2 years? Simple question, right? Anybody ask this question to you? Everyone
asked. Everyone.
Everybody asked. Oh, nice. I'm also the same person. Huh? Okay, tell me, where you want to see yourself after these 2 years? Come on, man. Give me the answer.
So
put on the mic. Tell me the answer.
currently,
Put on the mic. Tell me the answer.
Sir.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Fatima. So currently asking if after 2 years, definitely a MBA graduate.
Okay. That's great. That's it.
No,
Any
you
other
said
people?
in
Come on.
you said in 2 years. So from now,
Okay,
so it's
fine.
definitely.
Okay, that's good. And Shilpa, are you there online? Are you there?
Hi, sir.
Hi, Shilpa. Where you want to see yourself after 2 years?
2 years, sir, MBA complete ആവത്തില്ലേ.
Okay. There is no other plan after MBA or something like. Okay. And what about Eben? What after 2 years, Eben? Are you there, Eben, online? Yes, please. Parayoo.
2 കൊല്ലം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടല്ല സാറേ.
അതെ പറ എന്താ
സപ്ലൈ എല്ലാം വന്നാൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയാൻ കഴിയാ?
അയ്യോ ഇതാ ഇവൻ അവിടെ വരെ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തു, സപ്ലി വരെ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, അടിപൊളി. But I have a question to you. The same question I got in my engineering first year. If I say some story, if I say some experience, every person in the class, please feel it. Because I talk with a feel. So everybody, I hope you are listening to me. Feel the story, okay? My first year of my engineering, I joined in my engineering in November, okay? November I joined, 2008. Yeah. November I joined. December, January, this, then, and the New Year Day, on January, New Year Day, 2009, January, New Year Day, I guess. There was a sir who come into the class like, it's like a swing. He just said like, today no class. We were so happy. Class illa ennu teacher parayumbo namukkulla sandosham undallo. Oru 1000 crore sandosham. It's like 1 crore rupees prize money. If the sir entered into the classroom and said today no class. Right? The same thing I saw in the starting when I said today I don't want to teach you anything. And I was like, very good, super. Other than I'm tech. I'll answer this question, George Paul. Sure, I'll answer this question. Okay, keep this question with you. And after that, what happened is, I just entered India, asked everyone, what is your New Year resolution? You know that everybody asked this New Year resolution. What is it? And everybody saying, I want to become that. I want to become this. I want to do this. I want to do that. But the question is, I said something like, out of my hands, a lot of people laughed. I said, sir, I want to become college topper. You see this, that's what my mindset is. Can you have some dog barking disturbance? Hello? You got any dog barking disturbance from me? From my voice? Okay, yes. 1 minute, please. My dogs are so bad. So naughty. 1 minute. Okay, now it's fine, right? Right, like we close the door. Maybe I don't know when they will enter. They both will fight and they may enter in the classroom. Last time it happened like that. When I was taking class to some MBA students, like suddenly they entered into the classroom. That's a problem. Okay, anyway, sorry for that. And coming back to this, and I said like, sir, I want to become a topper. You know what? Except me and that sir, everybody in the class were laughed. Really, everybody they laughed. I was like thinking, why these people are laughing? I don't know. And I asked my benchmate, his name is Vikram, and I asked him, what's the problem? And he said, Man, what are you talking, man? This is JNTU. This is not local college. I said, okay, JNTU, so what? You got seat like last. I'm the person who got like seat like after third counseling. First, second, I didn't get because no availability. And I said, you joined in the third counseling and you are telling you want to become a topper. Are you gone mad? The people are like, there are a lot of people who are better than, who are brighter than you, who have a very a bright brain than you. And I said, okay, no problem, what I can do. Then that day, the same is the same. Okay, the question is resembles here. When I ask you, what do you want to become after 2 years? Some people said after 2 years, after 3 years. I'll tell you one thing, my dear friends. You should tell what you want to do or what you are going to do the next future. Sir, why? This is the one of the technique to achieve something. Then I'll come back again to my college days. Okay, I'm going to relate 2 things at a time. Keep your mind sharp. After that, what happened is, first year, first semester exams has done. Okay, madly I got some percentage, which is not top. Okay, which is not at all top. It's not top. I got some marks, good marks, but still not top. I got like 25th place or 27th place. I didn't calculate, but out of 120 people in the batch. And I still remember each and every person in my class, they came to me. They remind me my target. You said you will become topper, right? What happened? You said you will become topper, right? What happened? That day, my true motivation has come out. Same to same, I'm coming back to again to your college. If anybody asks you, what do you want to become in future? Tell them the same time. Appatane parayana. Reason anda? Nee adi cheyidillengi. Avanu orappayittu ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കും. ഉറപ്പാ? ആ പിന്നെ അവൻ വന്നിട്ട് ചോദിക്കും. ഒരു വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം ഞാൻ പറയാണ് ഒരു ലൈവ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ ഒരു ലൈവ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആണ്. ലാസ്റ്റ് നവംബർ സംതിങ് ഞാൻ ഒരു ട്രെയിനിങ് പോയി. അവിടെ അപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞു, എടാ ഞാൻ അടുത്ത വർഷം ഞാൻ ഒരു ബൈക്ക് എടുക്കാൻ പോവാണോ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോ, കഴിഞ്ഞ ഏപ്രിൽ ലോക്ക്ഡൌൺ ഒരു 3 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ആഫ്റ്റർ ലോക്ക്ഡൌൺ വൺ സ്റ്റുഡന്റ് മെസ്സേജ് മീ, ദ സെയിം സ്റ്റുഡന്റ് ഫ്രം ദാറ്റ് ബാച്ച്, സാർ ആ വണ്ടി എടുത്തോ? അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ അവർക്ക് റിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു, എടാ ഇല്ലടാ ലോക്ക്ഡൌൺ കാരണം എനിക്ക് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല, എന്താ ചെയ്യണം? പറഞ്ഞാൽ കുഴപ്പമില്ല സാറേ, എടുക്കാം, സാറ് എടുക്കും ഉറപ്പല്ലേ, എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഫേസ്ബുക്കിൽ പോസ്റ്റ് ഇടണേ. I said, okay, I'll do it, no problem. See, this is what, if you forget your target, people will remind you. That is the biggest motivation. So to whom I have to tell my target? You can tell your parents, you can tell your friends, you can tell your girlfriend. You have girlfriends, right? എന്താണ് എല്ലാരും ചിരിക്കുന്നത്? അബ്ബാ അയ്യോ ആഹാ, you don't have a girlfriend? Don't lie, man. You don't have a boyfriend? Hey, don't lie. Right, sometimes, you know, I'm just giving some example, that's it. This is what happens sometimes. If somebody asks you for your target or your goal, give them the information, highest possibility, and please make sure you're working on it. So working on it, what shall I do? When I ask you, ask me the questions, frankly saying, only few people ask me the questions. Hardly 4 to 5 people. That's it. 4 to 5 people type the question. Maybe you have a question in your mind. Keep it out, man. Keep it out the question. So for that, what I have to do, so simple secret, I'm going to share you a technique. Have a look on the board, everyone. I hope you can see on the screen. Can you see the 4 zones here? 4 zones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zones. Comfort zone, fear zone, learning zone, and growth zone. I'll tell you an example, then tell me in which zone you are. There were 2 people who are doing the same job every day, cultivating bamboo. They cultivate bamboo. You know bamboo? Bamboo? Cultivating bamboo, A, person B. Person A and person B decided to cultivate bamboo for earning a lot of profits. They went to a shop, they got a bamboo seeds, they got a land for lease, they acquired some land. They seeded okay. After seeding, person A, okay, the person A is giving proper water and proper care to the plant, to the seed. Person B just simply waiting for the result, nothing doing. Not giving proper water, not taking proper care, just waiting for the result. 1 year has done, both people, no result. 2 years has done, both people, no result. 3 years has done, both people, no result. But plan A person is doing the same thing every day. Giving proper water, giving proper care. Giving proper water, giving proper care. Plan B person, waiting, doing nothing, holding his hands, just having a look, that's it. After 3 years, plan A person got a crop, a small plant coming out of the, okay, what we say now, coming out of the ground. Then he felt like, oh my God, this is my 3 years of hard work. But still he got disappointed. 3 years I worked hard, but the plant is only just 1 inch. After the second, third day, he saw it's growing 1 meter. Fourth day, he saw growing another meter. Fifth day, he saw another meter. Then that is the beauty of bamboo, man. I'll play a video for you. I hope you know this video, but still, I'll just play a video for you, everyone. Have a look on the screen. Have a look on the screen. How many of you can recognize this video? I don't know, but still, okay, I'll just play some video. Oh, wait a minute, please. It's loading. Okay, please, everyone, have a look on the screen. All right, it got struck. Okay, 2 minutes. Let me wait. Watch this video. Hope you can see it, right?
The deluge wakes another forest inhabitant. This one is particularly astounding in its vigor. It can grow up to 1 meter a day, fast overtaking the other plants around it. The taller it grows, the faster its growth rate, so that in a matter of days it towers above the undergrowth and continues reaching for the sky. Not bad for what is essentially a grass. It's bamboo.
Yes, this is what the video is about. Okay, as I was talking about. Now, sorry for the late play of the video because I'm running almost 25 to 25 tabs at a time in my computer. It's getting little lag. That's what. Okay, sorry for this. And coming back to the class, wait with patience until you get the result. But please make sure you are giving proper inputs. If somebody asks you what you do after MBA, please make sure, yes, I may get a manager job. Maybe I have to start a business. Maybe I'll become an entrepreneur. Maybe I become a speaker. I become a trainer like you. Whatever the answer you say, you stick to it. But please make sure, start giving proper water and care. It's nothing but proper inputs to your goal. But tell me, how many of you want to learn the techniques to give inputs? So how to give inputs? I'll tell you today with live examples. But the question is, you should ask me. Then only I'll give the answer. You know, olden days, you know that the people will, go to the guru and ask, Guru, I want to know that. Please tell me. Then only Guru will tell. Guru will not call you. Come and sit here. Okay, please. Okay, ask me. I'll tell you what I know. No. They will tell what they ask. That's it. Like this, the same technique will follow today also, my dear friends. Let's start having an interaction. One person asked me a question. How to become a trainer like you? Before that, they asked one more question. Let me read that question in the chat box. What is that question somebody asked recently? 1 minute, let me read it properly. Why you decided to become a coach? Tell me, how many of you want to listen the story of me? How many of you listen the story? Put a thumbs up. Put a thumbs up. How many of you want to know the journey from Hyderabad to Ernakulam? Put a thumbs up. Super. How many of you want to know the mistakes I have done in my life? Put a thumbs up. How many of you want to know my failures and how I handled my failures? Put a thumbs up. And how many of you want to know about my tape story? Put a thumbs up. Adane. Idanang ellarku interested alle pav. Right? That's good. And now tell me, how many of you want to know about what I have to do in my MBA, sir, for achieving my goals? How many of you want to know? Put a thumbs up. Right? The reason is we need a live example. Really saying. I'll tell you the psychology of a student. Can you put on the cameras? I can see you. I can't see you people. Few people I can't see. Can you put on your cameras, everyone? Put on your camera. Put on. Varsha, Paul, Sebastian, Anju, Sandra, Nima. Can you put on your cameras, everyone, please? How many people I can't see? See, this is what happens. See, we need a person who can demonstrate a live example. Because I read about Abdul Kalam, but I never saw him. Really? Have you seen? Maybe we say like Abdul Kalam sir is very hardworking. He from zero to President of India. Oh my God, what a journey. But we didn't see. But there are some people who can inspire you, who will be around you with lot of inspiration, lot of motivation. But the problem is we are not identifying them. Maybe I'll try to be one of your example because I'm also a person who is like you. Yeah, 100%. I'm also like you person. But I started doing something to change my life that I'm going to share. I learned from a mistake. I'm going to share. But I'm not telling I'm Abdul Kalam. But I'm telling my secret. I'm telling my story to you as a friend. നമ്മുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട് ന്റെ സ്റ്റോറി കേൾക്കാൻ എന്താ രസം ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? വെറുതെ കേട്ടിട്ട് വീട്ടിൽ പോയാൽ മതി അല്ലേ? അല്ലല്ലോ. We learn some mistake or we'll learn some tech points from that. That is the reason I'm trying to do it. Today, I'm going to tell the journey, but please make sure, give me a pointed questions. Have an interaction. Talk to me, man. Starting 15 minutes, everyone is like, oh, full Josh. Now everybody was like, oh no, sir. Let's do a small exercise, right? Everybody, please stand up. Stand up. Stand up, everyone. Please stand up. Enikino. And the panditile. No problem. Sorry. Oh, please, make it fast. Make it fast. Super. Okay, everyone, I'm going to give a task. Go and bring a glass of water. Go and bring a glass of water. Your time starts now. You have only 30 seconds. Go and bring a glass of water, please. Vegam, fast. Go and bring a glass of water. Some people I can't see on the screen, man. Right, no problem, but still. Go and get a glass of water. Fast, please. Go get a glass of water. Done. Oh, Swati is very fast. Super. Glass of water, please. Take your seat. Please sit down. Everyone, please sit down. Settle yourself. Please sit. Okay. Everyone, please put on your cameras. We are going to do a super activity. Buying null activity. Your glass of water is there in the glass? You have a glass of water? Sure. Okay. Keep it aside. Okay. Keep it aside. Now, everyone, ready? I'll count 1, 2, 3. You have to take a deep breath, okay? Ready, everyone? Put a thumbs up. Ready, alle? Ellar ready ano? Okay. Ipo or karyam cheyo. Mic on cheyo. Ellaru mic on cheyo. Everyone, please put on your mic. No problem. Adibul. Super. Okay. Ipo namukku or karyam cheya. Everyone ready? Okay. Everyone, please sit down. Okay, sit down. Irno. Like Deepika, sit down, Deepika. No problem. Thank you. Now, everyone, I'll count 1, 2, 3. You have to take a deep breath. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath. Hold it, okay? Fatima has lost the deal. Richa lost the deal. Richa lost. Thank you so much. Vito. Cool. Oh, Arad. Right? One more time. Right? Let's try one more time. Take a deep breath. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Out. Exhale. Are you feeling to drink water? Have some water, please. Please have some water. Okay, thank you. Okay, super. What do you feel now? What do you feel? Everyone, let's start with Midhun. Midhun, what do you feel by this?
Well, I think I feel like actually nothing.
Richa, what do you feel?
Actually, nothing, sir.
Nothing. But you know what? If you want to really enjoy the water, if I tell you to bring some water and drink, you will not feel that. Really saying, right? You will not feel that. 100% you will not feel to drink that water, or you will drink the water like simply like you will drink some water and keep it there. Right? But after doing some lung exercise, which makes you to have a heavy breath, then if you have some water, now tell me, which one is more effective? Having water simply or having water after a workout? Which one is more effective? Which one you can enjoy more? Tell me. Plan A or plan B?
Plan B.
Plan B.
Without doing anything or with doing something?
With doing.
With doing
Correct.
something.
The same logic you can implement in your life also. Never ever try to get something without doing anything. It can be anything. So food, whatever it is. So care, money, whatever it is. So some help, whatever it is. Never expect anything without doing something. Understood? This is the experimental learning of seeking something. If you want to know something, if you want to learn something, if you want to get something, do something and get it. So you can enjoy the fruit. Then you can enjoy the feel. This is what about your enjoying of something or getting or something. But coming back to the class, how many of you are having a paper and pen now? How many of you are having a paper pen? Paper and pen like this. A paper pen. Have everyone. You should have a paper pen first. Super. Now please make sure you have to write a question. What you want to know about my journey? Everyone, make sure don't ask journey. Journey means just like I have to tell from my date of birth. Please write that question in a like what we call that, maybe I'll show you an example. I'll write like maybe I write like this and I will show. I write like this and show what I have written here. Like this, you should make a question, right? About my journey or my career, how I stepped in, what is my journey from Hyderabad to here. What do you want to learn? What do you want to know? But I'll tell you one thing, my dear friends. Each and every episode, each and everything will inspire you 100% because started from zero is not easy. Starting from zero is not easy, right? Everyone, your time starts now. You have 30 seconds to make it. If you don't have a paper, go get your paper. If you don't have a sketch, go get your sketch or pen. Please make it fast. You have 30 seconds time to do it. Let me see how many of you will do that and show me on your screen. Show me on the screen like this. Okay. Let me see the remaining people who are active. Vivek is active, Gayatri is active, Anju, Arya. Okay, nice. Remaining almost all are off. Camera off, mic off. I hope you all are sleeping. No, I don't know. Let me pick some random guy whose mic and camera is off. Okay, let me see. Let's start with Bibin. Bibin George, are you there online? Oh, you're there. Oh, superb. Thank you so much. Just for checking you in after all. Okay, sir. Right, let's come back to other checking. Check here. Anjali KM, are you there online?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. So everybody is online. Oh my God. I have to catch some black sheep today. Let me try. Neetu, are you online?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, why this is happening? Everybody is online. Then why don't you on cameras, everyone? What happened to you? Okay, thank you so much. And let's start with Swati. Can I have your question, please?
So your life in college, how was it?
Life in college. I don't know whether this session is recording or not. Please don't make it on Instagram or WhatsApp. It will become viral.
It is recording, sir.
It's recording, but no, please don't post it. Is they going to post it?
In YouTube, I guess.
Oh man, super. But anyways, no problem. My college life is with. Simply I'll tell you, but I'll explain some important episodes. My college life is really challenging. 2 girlfriends, okay, a lot of subjects. One side curricular activities, okay, competition, everything is included, because I learned a lot of things in the college where I learned to live, how to live outside. Because the 4 years of my college, I stayed in hostel. So I learned a lot of things. I learned competition. For example, in the lunch time, you have to you have to be in the counter starting, because otherwise you will not get a, what we say this, you may not get a good portion of food. So you have to stand there. The competition start in the dining hall. Maybe competition starts in a playground. Competition starts in college. Competition starts everywhere. So competition I learned. The next thing is true friends. I got true friends in college. 2 people, it's good. 3 people, it's good. But I got 4 to 5 true friends in my college days. The first person I will tell you, his name is Salam, who is the person who is is like my backbone. When I said I want to start a company, he said, superb. What help you want from my side? When I said I'm running loss, he said, no problem. What I have to do from my side? And I said, I got success. And he said, superb, keep it up. There are some people like this. And the first person is Mr. Salam. He is one of my coolest friend and one of my very, very, what we call that, I can't explain that, is my very true friend. I'll tell you a very live example what happened 2 days back. Maybe I don't know how many of you connect, but I'll tell you. You know what happened to this training industry, am I right? You know that? You know that? Training industry has become very bad from last March because of this lockdown. And we have a guidelines of education institutions and everything, public now. We have this, what we call this, we can't go for public gathering, college gathering. So public, training industry has become little bad, dull life. So I was not doing a great trainings, but I'm doing trainings online, but still it's not like a great scale. And I was not so active on Facebook and Instagram. I'm not keeping my training photographs, public speaking videos, nothing. And recently he called me 4 days back. And he asked me a question. Hello, are you there? Yeah. And he asked me a question. Are you okay? I said, yeah, I'm good. Okay, no, I feel like you're a little dull. I said, no, I'm okay. And he asked me, how is the income sources? How is everything is good? How is your running your family? Things that. I said, yes, everything is running okay, no problem. Going in a good way. Not bad, it's good. And he said, are you sure? I said, yeah, sure, man. And I said, again he asked me, no, I feel something is fishy. And I said, no, everything is good, no problem. I'm getting something which I can maintain my home, family, everything good. You know what he did? I was never expected that, because he's my just friend, as a college friend who will give my moral support. What he did, I'll just show you something. I can't take back, I just want to show, I can't hide this from students or my family or anybody. I just want to show that. The next minute itself, he did something, you know what? I don't know what happened. He just called me and said, you got it? I said, yeah. And I asked him, why did you send? I feel to send because I know training industry is like this. No. When you are at good terms, you help me. When I am in good terms, I should help you. That is friendship. Without asking, this has happened. This all happened without asking. A friend in a need, a friend in a deed. You know that? A friend should know. You should have such true friends. These 2 years, my dear friends, have a carry of true friends. As my college days, I got my true friend. Same like that. You should also get true friends. Luckily, I have a lot of Malayali true friends also who can help me like this. Not only this, moral support, maybe talking, sharing my feelings, ideas, failure, success. For everything, you should have a friend like this. I hope you will get in this. Okay, business school, don't worry. I hope you will get in this. Okay, MBA, 2 years. You will also have such true friends here. And I wish you to have a true friend here, right? Yeah. Okay. I hope, Swati, I hope you got some answer. Yes. Okay then. What about the next question? Evin, what about your question? Simple. You have to show me the question like this. Show me the question. Reminding people, please. Ayo, you can't see properly. We can't see it properly. Maybe because of the light. And then read it properly. Then read it.
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ
What is the question?
ഞാൻ സാറിന്റെ താടിയുടെ രഹസ്യത്തിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ട് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്.
എന്താണ്
സാറിന്റെ താടിയുടെ രഹസ്യം?
താടിയുടെ രഹസ്യം means secret of beard.
താടിയുടെ രഹസ്യം
means you want to know about the secret of the beard. There is no secret. Just eat and sleep. Don't think about this. There is a joke. Okay, once there was a great saint, okay, who is having a lot of beard. He is going on one side of a road, and one businessman who is very rich guy, very rich guy, and he said, "Sir, please come to my home. Please visit my house." And he said, "For what? Sir, I have 2 to 3 doubts. I have to ask you." And he said, "No problem." And that saint went to his house, and he got a very good food. He got a very good hospitality. And that rich man is saying, "Sir, I have done lot of mistakes. I have done lot of cruel things. I have done lot of crimes to become rich. Okay, for that, okay, for balancing that karma, for balancing that crime, I'm planning to grow a forest. Tell me, what is the technique to build a forest?" And he said, "Okay, I have an idea. Where you want to build a forest, you don't go that side. It will automatically grow." You understood? Like this, beard also is like that. Beard is also, you don't do anything, it will grow. Okay, it's a very personal. It's anyways, there is no secret, but don't think this beard is for love failure and some, it's not like love failure, people, don't worry. It's not like that. Our secret Allah. Okay, okay, I don't have such problems. Don't worry. I'm so happy man now. Right? And any other questions, please? Let's go to Jaren. Come on, man. Have a question. Come on, keep up. Start talking. This kind of activity on data. In that activity, everybody will become whitewash, 100%. Yes, please, Jaren.
Hello, sir. Is it audible? Hello?
Yes, of course. Please tell me.
Okay, sir. How much success was your life in your stages?
Okay. Stage. I'll tell you one thing, my dear friends. Everyone, please listen. Don't calculate success, because success is not a destination. Success is a journey. You should keep on going, man. See, for example, I'll tell you, my dream bike is to buy a Passion or Splendor. That is what my dream in my college. After buying that, my dream changed. So I went like Avenger. Oh, nice. Then slowly I was like thinking to buy a Classic. After that, thinking to buy a Himalayan. After that, I'm thinking to buy an Interceptor. After that, thinking to buy a Harley Davidson. You see, the dreams will change, correct? If I calculate my success, I got a Passion bike, I'm successful. That means your success is going to stop your growth. If you are having a satisfaction, never satisfy with any success. I don't calculate like that. I never calculate any point of my success. Just I keep my success as a journey. If I have an Apple now, maybe tomorrow I'll think to buy Apple 11 Pro. If I got an Apple 11 Pro, maybe 12 Pro or 13 Pro is going to release in future. That is my target. Okay, and that's what my success level. I don't calculate, but I keep on moving. Okay, thank you so much, Jaren, for asking this question. Next question, Deepika, can I have a question, please?
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, why this area was chosen?
You're talking about training industry?
Yeah.
After completing MBA, after BTech, correct? There is no relation with BTech to MBA, MBA to teaching, correct? Yeah. You're having the same type of doubt? Okay, I'll tell you one thing. It's a business secret, don't tell to anybody. Very big secret. Where there will be more unemployment? What is the answer for that? Where there will be more unemployment? Where there will be more unemployed youth? You know that? Where there is a highest education. Okay, highest graduates. Where are the which state is having highest graduates? Come on, answer me. Highest graduates. Kerala. So that is what I came here to train. That is the reason for coming Kerala. Sir, why training? I'll tell you one thing, my dear friends. Training is an industry is like every person need, even lockdown or pralayam, whatever. There are some industries which are evergreen. Hospital, training, education I'm talking about. For hotel industry, food and clothing. These are the 4 industries evergreen. Okay? Hospital, food, education and clothing. These are the 4 are very important for every human being. Okay? That is what I choose my field in education. That's what I become a trainer. Thank you so much. Next question is from Donna. Can I have a question, please? Yeah.
സാർ നേരത്തെ ചോദിച്ച ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നെ സെയിം ആയിരുന്നു എനിക്ക് ചോദിക്കാൻ.
അയ്യോ, വേറെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ വേഗം. Aishwarya, can I have a question, please?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, some people are typing in the Google, no, some are typing in the chat box. Let me check it out.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, please. Aishwarya.
So I would like to know your journey of being a speaker.
Journey of being a speaker. And I want to know, how many of you want to know this? Please type in the chat box K and type Vedaman. If you want to know about my journey towards this public speaking, how many of you are interested? Please type K. Then only I'll give answer, because I have to check how many people are interested. Then only I can give the answer. Right? Okay, a lot of people are K. Thank you so much. Okay. Idu madi. Okay. Reward case one, almost 25 case. Super. I'll tell you one thing. Can I have a question one more time? Public speaking. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll have a question to everyone. After MBA, if you got a small job, will you do? A small job, very small job.
Sure, will do.
Will do. Maybe somebody offered you a job like, without salary, you have to work for 2 months. Will you do?
Maybe.
If somebody asked like to do your job for 6 months without salary, will you do?
No, sir.
Correct? But I'm telling you, my dear friends, one more time, get ready to take the opportunity. Okay? My journey starts with an opportunity, taking opportunity. How it happened, I'll tell you. Once I was, after resigning from my IBM job, I was looking for a career change. I thought of doing some business, not happen. I thought of doing some other things, not happen. But at last, what happened is I'm thinking like, why don't I become some teaching related? So I started searching in online, teaching jobs where I can get available these, that. But I don't want to teach for BTech. I don't want to teach for BTech students. I don't want to teach for MBA students. So what I felt is why don't I change my career into some life skills teaching or like life training or career training? So I felt like, searching something, and I saw an advertisement in online. Summer camp English teachers required for Kerala. And I was like so excited. Kerala? Oh my God, superb. And I applied for it. And I got an interview call on my phone. They asked me some questions, which are very simple questions. Introduce yourself. What is your strengths? To check my English language. Okay. I was like talking a little better. So. And they said, okay, and your salary is 6,000 rupees and you have to come to Kerala. And I was like, for 6,000, who will go to Kerala? Will you go from Hyderabad to Kerala working for 6,000? Will you go? Frankly, tell me. Open secret. Will you tell me? Will you do, man? Frankly, tell. Will you work?
Yeah.
Nobody will go. But I don't know.
I will go.
So, you will go. Super. See, what happened is I was like thinking and let me check. And 2-3 times I ignored it because they already gave me the letter to come and they already booked my ticket also. So I thought of going, ticket, we don't think flight ticket, okay, train ticket, okay, it is sleeper class. 2 days journey. ഇത് ഭയങ്കര പ്രശ്നം അത്. പിന്നെ പറയാം ആ സ്റ്റോറി. What happened is they called me and said, are you coming? You know what? Tomorrow is the train. Tomorrow morning is the train. Okay, 8:30. Still today night I'm not ready to go. I thought of like, hey, no man, let's Udaipu. You know meaning of Udaipu? Swati? Then in Malayalis know this word very well. Swati, the meaning of this word is so simple. Showing some, okay, thing, you know, this like a crooked mind. So I felt like doing that, but I don't know what happened in that night. I decided, let's go. At least we can see Kerala. You understood? Let's go to Alapi, eat curry meal. Let's go to Trivandrum. Let's go to Kovalam Beach. I planned like that. That's it. Anyways, we got the ticket, na. And after going there, I saw the real life. I landed in Kayangulam. Okay, I landed in Kayangulam because the person who recruited me is from some other place nearby. I got in Kayangulam. He gave me an accommodation there, a small room. Don't worry, accommodation means it's not like, you know, high heavy 5-star hotel. Some room which is having a bed without a, okay, what we call that, a bed sheet, and properly I kept some bed sheet and I slept there. Morning they came to my room and said, from tomorrow you have training. If somebody said training, what we'll do? We'll think training like IPS, IAS officers. Atra scene only later. They took me to a school and they introduced to that some people and said, he's our new trainer. I said, hi sir. Your training will start from tomorrow, 15 days. You know what is my training? Every day going to school, observe the students. Evening I have to come back. Every day morning going to the school, observe the students, evening coming back. 15 days I got bored, really saying. Because they said me to observe the students, but I'm not observing any student. I'm going there, sleeping, eating. That's it. You know what? Next, they fired me. After 15 days, they fired me. Because after 15 days, we got a review meeting. What you have learned in this 15 days? What I have learned? Nothing. So, they fired me. They said, please, thank you for your services. Very valuable people you are. They said me to get out from the company. Came out, where to live? Accommodation, cut. Okay. Salary, where is the salary? I didn't work properly, na, at least for 15 days. No salary. Then the real friends I said you, they helped me. Okay. I got some money in my bank. Friends sent me some money, 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. I arranged a small accommodation there. After that, my real journey started. Do you think what is my first job in Kerala? The teaching job is not my first job. My first job in Kerala is I worked in a bakery. That's my first job. Okay. I worked in Brufia Bakery, Kayankulam. Anybody know that? Near to Kayankulam railway station. There is a Brufia Bakery. I worked there in the bakery. The first job. 2 to 3 months I worked there. Okay. After that that shop owner knows my education and everything. And he suggested me, you try another job. It's okay, no problem. You will get it. Then slowly I got a job in a school, like a communicative teacher, English teacher. Slowly from English teacher, I got promoted to 6th standard, 5th standard English teacher. Slowly to 10th standard, +1, +2. When I was interacting with +1, +2 students, my mind got changed a lot. I started thinking, okay, after +1, +2, what I can teach? After +1, +2, what I can teach? So I decided my topics. I decided my public speaking. I decided my motivational topics based on the student. So I slowly quit the job from there. Slowly I started doing my own trainings. Okay, my first ever big training, almost 350 students are in my training. The first training I have done in Kayankulam Women's Polytechnic College. That's my turning point. From that moment to now, I have trained more than 25,000 students. Every year I'll meet at least 5,000 to 6,000 people, students to motivate, interview training, corporate training. It depends upon a lot of things. Like this, my journey started and I become a public speaker who is standing in front of you like this. The journey speaks a lot. In the meanwhile, I got a lot of failures, disappointments, cheatings, but my biggest strength I feel for myself is I just do something every day. I do something. I don't feel like what is the result. I'll do something. That doing something made me to stand like this in front of you. Maybe doing something on my book made me to become author for 4 books. Doing something on public speaking made me to stand in front of like this. I'm so happy now. I'm telling you, in this lockdown time also, my phone is engaged. I get calls for trainings. Okay. A non-Malayali journey from Hyderabad to Kerala is receiving calls saying, are you able to take a training tomorrow? Yes, sir. Afternoon is comfortable? Yes, sir. How much is the payment you want? You decided, sir. No problem. See, this is what the stage we reached. No, I'm not telling I'm great. It's not only me. Are the people who are around me also supporting me? Frankly saying, you know Alexander sir very well, right? Yes, you know Alexander sir? He's one of my biggest supporters. Frankly saying, I'm openly telling you in the live session. Alexander sir is very big supporting. He's calling to your college from last 3 years. Every year he'll be calling to me. Now he'll be talking the plan, he'll discuss, he'll tell some tips. Really saying, he's one of my well-wishers. Like this, you know, please make sure there will be some well-wishers like this in life who can help you. And Swati, this is what my journey. And the person who asked the question, Aishwarya, I think Aishwarya asked this question. Thank you so much for asking this question and remind me my past. This is what the journey speaks. It's not easy to become something. It's tough. But if you work on one thing continuously, I'll tell you one thing. One day the people will gonna talk. Recently, I gave an interview to a TV channel, Pep Talks. I think you know that. Pep Talks, okay? I heard you know Pep Talks. For the Pep Talks, I gave a Facebook interview. In that they asked, like, you know, Pawan, if they want to make a movie on your story. I'm so glad. I was like, oh, super. Like, we don't know what we are going to become in future, really. Please make sure, my dear friends, everybody should create a history. We stop reading histories. It's been long days, right? Stop reading, create it. If you create it, people will talk about you 100%. Really, no? Fine, and this is what my journey towards my public speaking and motivational speaker. And the next questions, anybody, if you have questions, please put in the chat box or put on your mic on, because I can't see everybody on the screen. That is what.
Sir.
Yes, please.
So what was your parents' reaction while you choose this profession?
I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you a very frank answer. Still, my parents doesn't know what job I do, but they know only one thing: my son is doing something great. They don't know what job I do because they both are illiterates. They don't know anything. If I tell I'm a corporate trainer, author, CRT training specialist, my mom will look at me like this and say, "What? I don't understand." Simple. But I never made them regret. That I can tell very proudly. I never made them regret. Okay. And this is what, and still my mom doesn't know what I do, but sometimes I'll tell I'm in the class and she'll think, okay, class, okay, he's studying something. Let him study. Mother is like this, right? This is what. Do you regret of taking BTech or MBA? No. No. I never regret for something because BTech I have done because there is no other option. After my +2, I have written one exam. In that one exam, I got a rank. So I have to join only that course, no other course. So I joined. It's not choice, it's a chance. It's happened. Same after that, for building my brand, if everywhere, wherever I go, people 100% ask, what is your qualification? If I say BTech, after BTech, why you become a trainer? Again, a question. So for that balancing, I made my MBA. Now nobody asked my qualification. Simply they will ask, are you available? Okay, from last 3-4 years, they're asking only my availability. They're not asking my degrees. Okay, once you have an experience, degrees are negligible, frankly saying. But still you have to get a degree, okay, please. That's very important. And some questions I have on the screen. What inspires you most in the life? Every student who is in my class. ഞാൻ ഇതുവരെ പഠിപ്പിച്ച ഒരു 25,000-30,000 students ഉണ്ടാവും. ഈ students ആണ് എൻ്റെ inspiration. When they call me and tell, sir, I got placement, I got a job, I'm settled, I bought a house, I got a car, I'm going to Dubai next week. The students who will tell me on my Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, who will message me their success, that is my inspiration. Okay. I want you to send me the same type of messages in future. I am waiting. Okay. And coming back, sir, what is your strongest quality? I don't say strongest quality, but I'll tell my weakness, talking. Strongest is also talking. Okay. I have, okay, my weakness and strength, both are talking. I talk. I don't give chance to anybody. Right. That is my biggest strength and weakness. Okay. Sir, I have a question. I really want to know about your failure and how you overcome it. Sorry if, sorry, I had to turn on my video. Okay. So that's fine. Okay. Fine. Failure. I don't remember how many failures I got in my life. I really don't remember. I got that many failures. Really say. More than a failure, I take it like a chance to learn something. But I can tell one failure in my life. What happened is, as I said, I joined in a school as a school teacher. You remember? That's nothing but a Gayatri Central School, Kayankulam. Okay. I really thank them. That's my first job. I really thank to them. And I'm so glad that they recruited me. But after 2 or 3 months, I'm telling you, open secret, I got a feedback, okay, from the remaining faculties, my performance. I got a feedback. In that feedback, out of 5 star, I got 1.5 star rating. Just imagine, man, if somebody type you in the Google and you're the person who is saying that is reading a 1.5 star rating, how do you feel? Frankly, tell me. Frankly, tell me, if you see the rating 1.5 star out of 5, will you feel bad? Yes or no? Same I felt. That is my first professional failure, I feel. But I'm giving my 100% best to the students. Students are happy at all. They love me like anything. The person who is in that 2nd standard, now is in 8th or 9th standard, still he is messaging me on Instagram or Facebook. Still we are in touch. I know a person name is Shafi, okay? And the other person is Jordan. There is a Ritika, okay? There is one more girl, Deevana. There is another. I know some people names also. Still they are on my Facebook or Instagram. They'll just like. I was like so happy when they were in 8th standard. People now they completed their degree. They'll still message me. Students love me, but you know what? Performance means everything included. Academics, their learning, their results. Maybe I'm a bad academic teacher. I feel so. I stopped teaching academics. I learned from the failure because I don't know how to perform in the academics. Grammar exam. I can teach grammar, but grammar exam, who should write? Who should prepare? Right? That is what I felt like, okay, no academics teaching, because whatever you teach, how passion you teach, results only will decide your feedback. So I started teaching non-academics, which are important to your career and life. You understood? That is what happened. And I am here. Okay. That is what happened. And that's it. That's what my biggest failure. And I learned from the failure. And coming back to this, sir, what do you enjoy about your job? Are you satisfied and connect with your job? Yeah, I'm super happy. If I don't have a training, I'll get mad. I'll get really mad because I already said you, talking is my weakness. So we'll have that, what we call, we'll have that, crushiness, if I don't talk with the students. Really, I enjoy my job 100%. Not only in the class, most of the people will connect to me outside the class. They message me on Instagram or Facebook or somewhere, and they'll say, sir, hi, I was in your class today. Happy to see you, this, that. After this class, I'll put a selfie, okay? I'll post a selfie in the class, okay? In the Facebook or something. I'll take a selfie. You know how to take a selfie online? Do you know? You don't know? I'll teach you today. Don't worry, okay? I'll teach you how to take a selfie with your classmates today. Don't worry, huh? Right. And next question, last 2 questions I'm going to read, and I just want to move to the next topic. Feel most grateful. I don't feel anything like that. Okay. What do you feel most proud of? I'm really proud of my students only. No other proud in my life. Only student success is my proud and pride. Frankly saying, openly saying, no other gamblings. Openly, students success is my pride and my, okay, what is proud. That's it. And thank you so much. And sir, my dad says that from failure we can learn. Embarrassed. Who is that? Yeah, sometimes. No. It's okay. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. But coming back to the class, what you can do these 2 years? You don't want answers. You learned a lot of things. You learned about my journey. Thank you so much for that. But I just want to give you few techniques where you can develop your personal branding in MBA time. In this MBA time, these 2 years, please make sure concentrate on your professional branding. I'm going to give you a few techniques and tips where you can sort your professional branding. Everyone, please just listen. It's very, very important. I'm going to show you on the screen. Yeah, we go. 1 minute. Let me open this presentation. Now tell me, how many of you want to develop your professional branding? What is it professional branding means? You heard about anything branding? Boost is the secret of my energy. What is it Boost speaks? You know that? The branding means where the people should recognize and improving your market value. After MBA, you are just an MBA graduate with some industrial knowledge. But I'm going to tell you out of the box. Out of the box techniques I'm going to tell. Please do follow and please do implement. It's very important. Let me show you the ways you can develop your professional branding. The ways. What are the ways you can develop? The first way is this. Okay, have a look on the screen, everyone, and I'm going to share you the screen. I hope you can see the screen. And let me open the presentation. Yes. These are the 4 ways you can develop your professional branding. Sir, what professional branding speaks? I'll tell you very simply. After these 2 years, if you walk into some interview or if you walk into some investment idea, and maybe you went to some investor, taking your idea. First thing they will ask you, what you have done in your college? What are your works? Tell me about your projects. Tell me about your ideas. This is what they ask. Simply, they may search in the Google about you. Start developing the content, the online showcased professional content from today. Sir, is that important? 100%, my dear friends. The first thing you can do is, as I said you in the starting also, publish. Do the publishings. As a student, I'm telling you, my dear friends, you have a very good time to do something great to your career. If you want to do something great to your career, please make sure publish books. Do you know that you can write a book? Anybody thought of writing a book here in the class? Say yes in the chat box. Type in yes in the chat box. Sir, I thought of writing a book. Sir, what type of book? Anything. You can write a song, you can write a book, you can write a story, you can write experience, you can write about your failure, you can write about the people, you can write about your friend. Yes, start publishing, my dear friends. Very, very important technique to become the brand. When I introduce myself, I'm an author. Tell me, frankly tell me, how many of you got an idea, I want to know about something. I want to know about that books. Really, right? You got that intention? Same like that, if you walk into the interview with a book which was authored by you, then you see the value what you have in that interview. Simple. Without interview, I'll tell you, you will get selected, man. That much work you have done. That means you are keeping yourself engaged in the 2 years. So one first technique, publish books. Sir, how to publish it? Maybe I don't teach you now, but I'll tell you, I can help you out. Maybe you can just ping me after the class, no problem. I can help you for that, right? The second one, sir, what I can do, what I can publish. You can publish ideas. For example, everybody may have an idea like, sir, I have a business plan. Take a blueprint, draw a blueprint to implement that business. Publish that blueprint. Share that ideas with your friends. Share that ideas with your colleagues. Share that ideas with when you have a campus meet. You know the campus meets? You go to another college for a campus visits. Share with them. This is what you can do it. Sir, no, sir, what else I can do? You can do this. You can publish papers. You can publish projects. See, this is what, please make sure this is the best way to brand yourself in MBA. I'll tell you, my dear friends, one more time. Never ever think after MBA I'll get a great job. Yes, you may get it. But if you want to be an individual, if you want to be an independent guy, who want to reach the highest standards in any industry, you should be independent from this moment. Academics are important, 100%. But more than the academics, you should also learn the out of the box areas. You should learn a lot of things, right? I hope you understand. The next thing what I can do, sir, this is what my interesting things, vlogging. Create video content. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. How many of you are having YouTube channels here? Nobody having, right? How many of you are thinking to start? Sir, I'm thinking to start. Sir, I don't have any idea. I'll tell you an idea. Will you do it? Will you do it? I'll tell you a very good idea. Start recording each and every day of your MBA. Learning process, meeting friends, maybe your failure today, how you overcome that failure tomorrow. Every video is an episode. Simple, right? See, this is what you can do the content. When you go to your interview, the people will feel, okay, oh, so they may ask you, what's your hobby, Vivek? Sir, I'm a vlogger. I do video content to video content. What? Food? No. Travel? No. Then MBA. Simple, right? See this? How many of you are doing this, man? You can record it. This is what you can brand yourself. Sir, what else I can do? You can also do this, my dear friends. You can also do this. Blogging. You can write it, sir. I can't talk on the camera. I have shyness. Then you can write the same matter. You can write a blog. See? Day 1, what happened? Day 2, what happened? Day 3, day 4. Make your audience interactive. Share some secrets. Share some news. Share some techniques. See this? This is what, please try to understand. Word into branding. And the last and very important branding technique I am going to share to you, my dear friends. What is that one? Can you read it for me, everyone? What is that? What is it? Yes. LinkedIn existence. Are you on LinkedIn? How many of you are LinkedIn? Please type yes in the chat box. Type yes in the chat box. If you are on LinkedIn, please type yes in the chat box. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 47, only 6 people. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, 12. That's it. Out of 47, only 12 people. Now I have a question to these all 12 people. Are you maintaining your account? When did you open your account last time? Sir, how to maintain that account? Yes, my dear friends, I am here to help you. Don't worry. Just ping me after the class. I'm going to share you the ideas to do it. But I'm telling you, I'm not here to teach you how to do LinkedIn, how to do video, how to do content, how to write a book. No, because if I tell that, it will become a class. What I said in the starting, I'm not going to teach you. I come here to interact with you. Now, each and every person, almost the people who interacted with me, Fatima, Swati, Paul, Sebastian, Vivek, maybe we have here, Aparna we have here, Gayatri we have, we have Richa we have here, Aishwarya, Jerin. The people who interacted with me, I got some idea about you, Midhun. Because when I come to your college directly, I'll tell you, my dear friends, sure, I'm going to call with your name, 100%. That is the impact you created on me. I hope the same happened with you. The same impact also I created with you. Like this, please try to understand, my dear friends. I'm here to just interact, to make you cool, Because from last 4 to 5 days, I hope you have a hardcore training, correct? Yes or no? Frankly tell me. Hardcore training, like the person come, presentation, this is what, that is what, correct? But if I do the same, I don't want it. In between exam, you got exams. That's great. Right? Sometimes it happens, right? This is what, please make sure, my dear friends. All of us hectic. Hey, don't type, your teachers are going to see this. Just joking, okay, just joking. Okay, this is what about my training today, my dear friends. You have anything to ask me? You want to tell something to me? Or if you want to ask any other information, you want to know about some qualities or skills, you can ask me. I'm ready to open and ready to share. But one thing is, you should talk. And I have a question to everyone. How many of you know your friend names at least? We don't have a direct contact, but still, do you have any, what we call this, the friends names? At least you have 10 to 15 friends in this class. Fatima, do you have, how many friends do you have in this class? Fatima, are you there? More than 15. Oh, nice, nice, good, good.
Yes, sir.
Vivek, how many friends do you have?
More than 15, sir.
More than 15. Deepika, you? 1 or 2 friends. I don't know anybody, sir. Anyways, that's good, fine. Huh? Please make sure have a, I think you have a WhatsApp group. Have a WhatsApp group? You can contact and inform. And you have any questions, please ask me. I'm open to talk. Because I thought of making a class for 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours is done, but I'm going to take 15 more minutes. And please make sure you have any questions, you can ask me. Please. Fast, you can ask me. Let's take a selfie. After that, shall we move to the questions? Is it okay? Shall we take a selfie? Everybody put on your cameras. Let's take a selfie. A new generation of selfie. Everyone put on your cameras. Cameras on, get off. Cameras on, you will not be in the, okay? Yes. Everybody should put on the cameras. Okay, here we go. Let's start. Okay. Yes. Everybody look into your camera, okay? Let's take a new variety of selfie. Sir, how to do that selfie? Huh? I'll take from my phone. And here we have a projector. And here we have a laptop. Okay, I'm going to share this on WhatsApp and Instagram and Facebook today. Okay, don't worry. We're going to do it. Let's start with our selfie. After selfie, we'll continue the class. Everyone have a look. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to go for the next slide. Yes, super. Okay, that's it. Selfie is over. You want to see the selfie? How is the selfie looking like? You didn't get the idea like this? How is the selfie? This is what, simple, right? Technical. Anybody took the selfie like this? Hello, please respond. Parayo, anybody took the selfie like this?
ഇല്ല ഇതുപോലൊരു സെൽഫി ഇതുവരെ എടുത്തില്ല.
I'm going to post on my Facebook and Instagram today. And if you want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, please do follow on this. Okay, you can also follow on this. I'm going to share my file. You can follow me on My Skill Guru, WhatsApp and Facebook. And you can also contact to the given phone numbers 906106855 or 8111959656. Or you can also follow me on Instagram or Facebook. My Skill Guru is the Facebook ID. Any other questions you have, you can ask me now, please. You got it? You can send me a request on Instagram, on Facebook, both. I'll be posting that photograph on Facebook or Instagram. Or if you want, you can WhatsApp me. I'll share you the photograph. You can also share it, and don't forget to tag my skill guru. Okay, very, very important. Okay. Marketing. Yes. Any other questions, please? Please, any questions you can ask me? Yeah, please carry on. Come on, interact. There is nothing without marketing, sir. 100% correct. Branding, not say marketing, it's branding. I'm branding My Skill Guru. My Skill Guru is the company what I started, and now it's 3 years it's been. Going good, no problem. Any other questions, please? You can ask me. Questions? Vivek, you want to say something?
No, sir.
No. You want to ask something? You want to know something? No. I'll just share your video for you, everyone. Please have a look. I really want to share it with you, but there is no chance has come. But let me check it out. Let me take out the video first. How many of you think, like, is the tortoise, the story of tortoise and rabbit? You know the tortoise and rabbit story? Yes. Who will win? Can you please type in the chat box? Who is the winner? Who is the winner? Need to ask me a question, I forgot. Tortoise. Who is the winner? Tortoise. Tortoise is the winner or loser? Winner. Sure? Are you sure? Everyone, are you sure? Reality. In reality, who is the winner? Reality. Please tell me fast. You should tell me. Who is the winner in reality? Come on, fast. Reality, who is the winner? You're typing in the chat box. No? Reality, rabbit is the winner. Huh? Then watch this video, my dear friends. Please watch this video. Watch this video and tell me who is the winner. Okay. Here we go. The tortoise and rabbit real race. Here we go. friends? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I hope you can hear me properly. And I lost my internet connection and Wi-Fi, so I logged in from my phone. Okay, this is what about. Okay. Can you hear me now? Ebin? കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
Hello, Ebin, കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടല്ലേ? Okay അല്ലേ?
കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, sir.
Okay, fine. And please, if you have any questions, you can ask me because I lost my internet for my laptop because we lost our power here. So we lost the internet. That's what. Anyways, I log in from my phone. Let me check it out. And please tell me any other questions you have, please. Any questions you have, you can ask me. And who is the host here? Host? Who is the host? Host is host Fatima. Are you the host?
Yes, sir. I am the host. You want me to?
No need. Just I'm not going to share anything. Just I'm going to talk. That's it. You have any questions, you can ask me, please. Anybody you have any questions, you can ask me. What is the biggest fear? Fear water. Water is my biggest fear. Really, water is my biggest fear. When I see the water from the heights, I literally faint. Bhayangara video, right? Any other questions, please? You're putting in the chat box. I don't know. Let me check the chat box. Okay. Okay, that's it. Any other questions, you can please put on the chat box or you can ask me directly. You can put on your mic and you can ask me. So I can see only 4 to 5 people on the screen because I logged in from my phone because I lost my internet connection. So please, any questions, you can ask me. Swati, you have anything to ask me? Okay, Fatima, hello. Are you there, Fatima, online? Hello? Hello, Fatima, are you there? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the process of ending the class? Is there anyone going to talk about oath of thanks or something?
Yes, actually, Swati, she was supposed to say the word of thanks.
Okay, fine. I'm going to end the session because I lost my internet connection, but still, anyways, like let's stop it today and we meet some other day. No problem, right?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
Please.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here. On behalf of Kochi Business School, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Pavan Samireddy, who spared his time from his busiest schedule to grace this occasion. Today, we have an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. My gratitudes to all the speakers for gracing the occasion and sharing their opinions today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having a great time with me. And my dear friends, please make sure your branding should start at least from today. And one more thing, please, any questions you have, please put on me on my mail or my Facebook or Instagram. You can also WhatsApp me as I shared my contact details, I hope. And thank you so much. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope this interaction session got little productive and informative. Thank you so much for giving this valuable time. And thank you, KBS, Cochin Business School, for inviting me. And especially I would like to thank Anumol Madam and Alexander Sir for this initiation. And thank you so much. And I hope to meet you directly in the college a day when the college starts. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Fatima, what is the process of ending? Can I leave or?
Yes, sir, you can.
Thank you so much. Bye. Take care, everyone. Bye. And anyways, it's going to be evening. Okay, bye. Anyways, bye. Good night. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Onam program.